Hello guys.
Hello everyone. This video is a quick update about our house which is getting constructed in Patna, my hometown.
A lot of you were interested ever since we have shared to you that we are building a house in Patna last year when I was still pregnant with Mishka. Even though we have shared this already, we have explained this already in our previous videos, there are still some who were curious why we are still renting, why don't we have our own place, like our own house. So can you tell them?
Yeah, because last time also I have replied, but the main reason, the actual reason behind why we are renting a flat here in Bangalore, instead we could have
our own
purchased our own
house
or flat or apartment over here. The first reason is that my job, because I am working in an organization like every 4 to 5 years max, they will keep me in one city. After that I'll have to relocate my workplace. And Jen is like that. She is always, whenever I ask her that, Han, what if they will be posting me in some kind of rural area, rural place, village, then what you'll do? So you better earlier, like before
Mishka,
because that time I have not started construction of our house also. So I asked her that, what do you want? Do you want that shall I purchase an apartment here in Bangalore? Then she said no, because until and unless you are posted here in Bangalore, we are together. If you will be going away from Bangalore, then I
will be with you.
That she said that she will be with me. But so that was the one reason. I don't belong to Bangalore. I am from northern part of India. So that was one reason. Then second reason was that in Patna we don't have our own house. Means I was born and brought up in Patna, but that is not our own house. That is like a government quarter. Actually, my grandfather, he was a government servant, so he got that flat when he was in service. Yeah. So my father's childhood, then again my childhood, and my father's childhood means my father, when he was young, he was in that flat, and then I was born and brought up from that place. Honey, my sister. It's a small, like 2-room flat, and it's like old flat, maybe more than 40 years old. That flat, or maybe more than that. I don't know, but it will be minimum 40 years, 45 years, I guess. So yeah, because 30 years me only, and before that I think my grandfather and father, they would be living 10-15 years, I guess. So growing up in that kind of place, and that is like quarter is like in first floor there are 8 flats. Like our wall is common, like this wall, this is one flat, and this is one flat, then this is one flat, then this is one flat. It's like that. It's like a railway compartment. It's like that. So but it was good actually. The neighborhood was good. In our childhood there were we got so many friends to play around, so it was good. But still, when you grow old and when you see a better lifestyle, you can say, then now after working, it's not like that I don't like that place, even though I think that after our new house, when I will be going to my old house, of course you will be connected. That feeling where you have spent your childhood, that no any new house can replace. And my parents also, I wanted them that in their old age they at least be in a better place. And when we are also going in holidays at home, vacation, my sister, my brother-in-law, her kid, So that place was actually a small to accommodate all of us, and sometimes in any occasion, then again it will be very much challenging. So it was like that. So that's why last year we decided, and I discussed with my mama also. That lot I have not purchased actually. That was there from my parents. So I just decided that instead of purchasing a flat in Bangalore, first I'll have our own house in Patna where we belong. So at least, if you're getting tired from your other places, you go home, and in your home there should be something which you can call your own house or your own home. So that's why, with so many things, finally I decided that okay, we'll have our own house. That's why last year I applied for loan and it got granted, and we started construction. So that's why, that is the one reason also, that when
Mishka was born,
my mother was not able to come early
and stay here
and even though she came, she just left quickly because
it was less than a month.
1 month. Because my mother and father, and I don't have any other relatives, close relatives, or who are there with them. So only my mother and father, and sometimes since Arunji, my brother-in-law, he was also going Patna to help, because he is in Delhi, and Delhi is nearer to Patna, and in this pandemic I didn't got time also to travel from Bangalore to Patna.
We're going to show you the our house that is being constructed in Patna.
Yeah.
This is motor for water. This is one flat in ground floor. This one is entry. And this is kitchen. This one is duct, and this is latrine bathroom attached with this room. This is single room in ground floor. And this space is for air. And this one is stairs for going first floor, second floor. And this space for inverter, gas cylinder, etc. And this view is for parking, ground floor. Mama is here. Now going first floor. And this one is entry for first floor. This one is entry for first floor. First floor dining hall. This is bedroom, master bedroom. And this one is kitchen. View of window kitchen. And this one is balcony of first floor. This is mango tree, and this one is park. Balcony view. Of first floor. And this second side, balcony view. And now I am going second floor. This is entry of second floor, and in right side of me here 1 BHK flat. This is kitchen, window for here, and this one is duck, and this one is attached bathroom with a room. And left side of me, second floor, second flat entry. This is dining hall. This one is bathroom. And this is kitchen. And this is final for roof. One room for a store in roof. And same design, this is duck for here, and this one is washroom, attached washroom, and this is one room for a store. And this is roof. And this stairs for ताकि सीढ़ी पे पानी ना आए, इसको हार्वेस्टर से छाया जाएगा, सीमेंटेड हार्वेस्टर. And this is view. This is TV tower. Approx 100-200 meters. Complete. This is parking, and there is sitting mama, papa, and one labor. Fan for here.
So as you have seen, it is a 3-floor. Actually, initially the plan was for 2 floors, but you know we are getting ambitious that okay, let's have one more floor. So finally we ended up having 3 floors. So it's just basically like ground floor is for reserved for parking, and one BHK flat. 1 BHK is like 1 room and 1 kitchen and 1 washroom. And then first floor basically we are keeping for us, our family. And so first floor is also 2 BHK flat. It's like 1 master bedroom and 1 other bedroom and living space. And third floor, like ground +1 is for us, and second floor it is having actually
2 flats.
It's not 2 flat, it's like a
2 rooms.
1 BHK and 1 room. Like 1 BHK is separate flat. Mostly we are thinking we can have it for rent, because as long as I am here in Bangalore or I am not in Patna, so that much place is not useful also. So we can have second floor for rent, and ground floor 1 BHK we can also have for rent.
Hopefully.
Let's see. First prime focus was to have our own house, and in the meanwhile if from rent also you are getting something, so it's good. But anyways, for time being, as long we are not staying in that place, we'll rent it. Later when we will shift in Patna, then we'll have it for our own use.
When are we going to go there to visit the house?
Actually we had plans, and actually Mama is also missing Mishka so much. Whenever every day we have video chat, I can see that in her eyes that she is missing Mishka. She wants to see her growing. But prime reason was this pandemic, and second reason was that since I'm constructing the house, like we are already spending a lot of money in construction. You know that it's not it consumes lots of physical effort. Like purchasing a flat is easy. You just go pay money and get it registered in your name and then start living with doing some interior whatever. But constructing, like from last 1 year, I am seeing that my parents are really getting exhausted in that, and I'm not able to do anything, because when you are constructing a house, you know that you need a physical presence. Just giving money or spending money is not enough, because when construction is going on, there are lots of other things also.
Someone should be there.
Someone should be there.
To oversee
Yeah, so everything you have to see. My mama is saying that better let's wait 6 more months. By that time, even one flat we will keep ready, and on Mishka's first birthday, touch wood, our plan is to have our housewarming.
So together with Mishka's
first
birthday will be
Yes.
our housewarming 2-in-1 celebration.
Mishka will be celebrating her first birthday in
Patna.
in her new house.
So that's it, guys, for our house update. And special thank you to our brother-in-law Arun. Thank you so much, Arun G, for the videos.
Yeah, because he was the one who went Patna last week, and I asked him that, Arun Ji, can you please record video, because I asked Mama, but she was not able to record video properly. Sometimes she was sending me pictures and video calls, I was seeing it, but I wanted someone who can record the video properly. So Arun Ji has really tried his best.
Yeah, and he was also explaining in the video, so I hope you were able to understand. And lastly, thank you so much to all of you guys, because if not also with your support by watching our videos, this wouldn't be possible this year. We want to thank each one of you for always watching our videos.
In last pictures, when she has posted, so many of you were saying that all the best, congratulations. So
yes,
it really feels
so
good
much.
When we see this kind of positive comments.
So thank you so much to everyone. Thank you to all of you.
Yeah.
It, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified if we have new video. And follow us on our Facebook and Instagram account, Jayan and Abhi. Thank you so much.
See you in our next vlog.
Bye.